Okay, so this brush pen and this pencil is what I often use to create most of my traditional artworks such as this. But now I've completely switched over to the iPad for doing all my illustrations. To get the same effect of the brush pen, I use this pen called the Dry Ink on my iPad with a couple of settings sort of changed. I put the stabilization on top, flick full, and streamline on sort of full, and then I reduce the texture to get that same brush pen effect. The second pen that comes close to that is called the Technical pen, which is very, nice. So I use that as well. But for sketching, what I really like to use on the iPad is the 6B pencil that's built in Procreate. That and a pencil brush I download from the internet. So this is what I basically use. The pencil brushes to sketch my drawings and the brush pens to ink my drawings. And then to apply the shadows, I simply use the brush pen again and the hard airbrush to sort of color my drawings. Simple process, that's what I use. But one of the main things that I've often learned is this: knowing what tool an artist uses often doesn't bring the same result as the artist. Because asking an artist what pen they use is often similar to asking a writer what pen they use to write their novels. It doesn't work like that. By the way, if you want these quick 2-minute blogs and videos on your email, like say 2 to 3 weeks early, I'm uploading these on my private newsletter club. Go out and check that thing out. Links in the description. Sign up because I send 3 very quick points on art and creativity every single week that takes you less than 2 to 3 minutes to read. Sign up. Bye-bye.